Welcome back to River Kids. What an incredible journey we have been on together. I am so proud of all of you for staying connected to Jesus. What a great job you are doing on your homework. Keep it up. Whew! Traffic was a mess. I don't know, I think Symbol is behind this one again. Let me check in with the Incredible Love team.
I got it.
I'm on it.
I got it.
Hello? Everybody? Anybody?
Pastor Lisa, we're all here. What's up?
Symbol seems to be interfering with the local traffic signals. There are travelers taking detours on unmarked roads. The streets are completely congested. People are trying to go their own ways and ignoring the GPS instructions.
Look at them. They'll never be able to share the good news now.
Yes, we see it. They are bypassing God's positioning system. We need to reroute them.
We'll head right over.
Oh my. Just like Jonah. Sometimes we try to run away in the wrong direction, but God gets us back on course so we can help others. Today is the day we're going to hear about that.
That's right, Unfailing Love. Sometimes we want to do things our own way, but God wants us to get back on track, and He wants to help us. He wants us to think of others and not be selfish. And as you mentioned in our story today about Jonah, he wanted to do things his own way. You see, Jonah was angry with a group of people, and he didn't think that they deserved to have the love of God. He didn't think that they deserved what he had. But we learn in our power verse today from Galatians 5:14b that we are to love our neighbor as ourselves. That's our power verse for today. Galatians 5:14b says, love your neighbor as yourself. All right, I need everyone's help. Can you make a big heart like that with your hand? Big heart. Big your heart. That's it. Big heart. All right, everybody together. Galatians 5:14b. Love your neighbor as yourself. Great job, everybody. We're going to be learning a lot more about Jonah this week, so stay tuned. Right now, everlasting love.
All right, kids, it's homework time. Draw an ocean with a fish in it. Parents, you can then share it again on Facebook or email Pastor Lisa at. Get your supplies ready for Wednesday. You'll need these. Plus, very important, watch the movie Jonah sometime between now and Wednesday. River Kids will see you back here Wednesday at 10 a.m. See ya.